Not driving in Snapchat, not driving in TikTok, not driving in
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about Frederick Leonard and Peggy, but before going to the details of the video, I want to give a huge shout out to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your thumb up. Thank you for your comments, and to all the new subscribers to the channel, you're welcome. Thank you for joining us, and here we give nothing but confirmations. So going back to today's video, like I said, it's about Frederick Leonard and his would-be wife Peggy, and today Sunday they are sharing their first public photo after their engagement. This is so cute, and to round it up, Peggy's holding the bag that his would-be husband gave to her on her birthday as her birthday gift. Wow, this is so beautiful. Well, I could not leave the recordings, I could not leave them talking because of copyright issue, but they were actually speaking in Igbo. It was so beautiful where Frederick was saying that as of recent she has become her driver. When they are driving, Peggy's either making videos on TikTok or on Instagram. She's always making video whenever he's driving. That he's more like a driver to Peggy. Of course, it sounds so funny, but it's so beautiful. I'm really happy for them. It's a confirm. If you have doubts that they are not dating or maybe it's a movie, it's reality. They're actually dating and are set to get married very soon. So watch these beautiful clips of them together this Sunday, and if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give us a thumb up, and if you're not subscribed, please kindly do so. It's free. Thank you for watching our videos, and see you in our next video.